Hello everyone, welcome to Puzzle Swap. Nick the Gaming Otter here, so let's go into it right now. Yay, Nilly! Okay, what do we want from Nilly? Because I gotta be very careful about this. Oh, yeah, definitely the Tomodachi one. Okay, so let's skip through all the Miis that don't have anything. My Japanese does. Alright, next one. Nothing. Nothing. Thank you, Australia! Alright, next one. Alright, next one. No. Sorry, Japan. Alright, well that will end the short. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll